Fine Gael, for example, and the government said, oh, it costs €1 billion to abolish Irish Water. I think what they're factoring in there, it costs about 80 million to set up Irish Water. Consultants' costs included, unfortunately. Their staff costs about 30 million per year. It would cost, based on HSE and on PUST payments on completion of contracts, it would probably cost 4.5 million to lose a lot of those. Hierarchical positions that should never have been put in place in the first instance. So I think, again, you have your contractual obligations to the metering programme, which we have to complete, and there's a cost there of that has already been paid or committed to of 500 million, plus the 200 million in relation to set-up costs and the pay costs for the existing staff. You get that back in payroll costs and savings and administrative costs, about 40 million a year over 4 years. So you have the 200 back. So when the government say $1 billion, they're being disingenuous. They're including the metering.
Okay.